In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link to a LinkedIn page. This is a quick, reliable way to point people to a company or organization's presence on LinkedIn, whether you're sending it to a colleague, dropping it into a document, or posting it in a chat. First, open LinkedIn in a web browser. Any modern browser works: Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge. If you're not already signed in, LinkedIn may prompt you to log in, which is perfectly fine. You don't need any special settings for this. You just need access to the site. Next, go to the specific LinkedIn page you want to share. This is different from a personal profile. A LinkedIn page represents a company, school, or organization and typically shows a logo, a follower count, and tabs like Home, About, and Posts. If you already have the page bookmarked or open in a tab, switch to it. If not, use LinkedIn's search bar at the top, type the name of the organization, and choose the official page from the results. Take a second to make sure you're on the right one, especially if there are similar names. You'll usually see the word company or school underneath the name, which helps confirm it's a page. Once you're on the page, the key is to copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Click once in the address bar to highlight the full link, then copy it. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, press Command+C, or right-click and choose Copy. The link will look something like https://www.linkedin.com/company/company name. If you see extra parts after the company name, like about or posts, that's fine. Those simply point to a specific section of the page. If you prefer a cleaner link, you can backspace to keep just the main address. With the URL copied, you're ready to share it anywhere you communicate. Paste it into an email, a project brief, a chat app, a social post, or a calendar invite, wherever your audience needs it. On many platforms, a preview card will appear after you paste. If it doesn't show up right away, press space or hit enter. It's also a good idea to add a short sentence for context, like, "Here's the official LinkedIn page for the team," so people know what they're opening. That's all there is to it. Open LinkedIn in your browser, go to the page you want, copy the address bar link, and paste it wherever you need. Simple, fast, and universally compatible.